Good morning children, welcome to today's class. Before going to today's class, yesterday I given some subtractions and multiplications of integers. Subtractions, look at here, 32 minus into minus plus 46. 32 plus 46 how much? 6 plus 2, 8, 3 plus 4, 7, 78. Here minus 48, minus into minus plus 23. Here both negatives we are subtracting. In first one positive, one negative. So here you get one positive, one negative. First you subtract 48 minus 23. 8 minus 3, 5, 4 minus 2, 2. So minus 25 answer. Next one minus 70 plus into minus minus 16. Both are negatives. What we have to do? Both we have to add. Minus 86. Next to product. Multiplication now here minus into minus plus 14 fours are 56. Next one negative, one positive. Negative 17 threes are 51. Next one minus 25 into 14. 14 fives are 70. 14 twos are 28. 350. Both are positive. 16 six are 96. Like this you have to do. Next today we have to discuss BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule means here each letter have one. B means bracket. Next O means of, means multiplication. D for division. Next M for multiplication. A for addition. S for subtraction. When we are simplifying expressions, numerical expressions, you have to go for this order. First we have to remove bracket, after we have to do of, after division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Again brackets are four kinds. Four kinds of brackets or four types of brackets. First one, this one. Next, these brackets. Next, flower bracket, square brackets. So here this is called vinculum or bar. This one, small brackets or circular brackets or common brackets or parentheses. These are flower brackets. Flower brackets or braces also we can say. Flower brackets or braces. This one small brackets or circular brackets or common brackets or parentheses. These are flower brackets and braces. These are square brackets. This is called vinculum or bar. So this is also order. First we have to remove vinculum, after small brackets, after flower brackets, after square brackets. This is the order. See, I will give some examples. Examples, look at first one. If no brackets, first see here, just we have expressions. 24 plus 32 divided by 8 minus 4. This expression they given. How we will do here? See, first what we have to do? Division. 24 plus, so these two having division of 32, you have to divide with 8. 8 fours are how much you will get? 32. So before sign what you have to write as it is. In this place quotient what we get? 4. So this place we get 4. Next minus 4. So plus 4 minus 4 get cancel means 0. 4 plus 4 minus 4 0. So what is the result? 24. Like this we have to. Next one more example. Second one. 36 into 3 plus 49 divided by 7 minus 26. See here. Here all expressions have. First you have to do here. Division one you have to complete. After multiplication. So first 36 into 3 plus 49 divided by 7 means 7 sevens are 49. You get quotient 7. So this place you get 7 minus 26. Again multiplication. This one you have to do multiplication. 3 6 are 18. 3 3 are 9 plus 1 10. Again here these are both addition. You do first you do addition. 108 plus 7. 7 plus 8 15. 0 plus 1. 115 minus 26. So how much you will get? 115 minus 26. 15 minus 6 9. Here 10. 10 minus 2 8. So 89. Answer 89. Like this we have to simplify. Next, if they given brackets, how we will simplify? Here see two examples. Three plus 35 into 4 plus in bracket small bracket I am giving 56 divided by 'if they given like this, first what you have to do 35 into 4 plus first small brackets we have to remove. So what you will get quotient 8 sevens are no 7 you will get this place. So now remove bracket now. Next after what we have to do multiplication. 35 fours are 4 fives are 20. 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 2 14 plus 7. Again this both addition 147. Now remove bracket. If addition after no need to do right bracket. So next what you will get 147 plus 3 150. Like this you have to do. One more example. If they given flower bracket, vinculum all, how will we have to simplify this one? Minus 2 of minus 3 minus 16 divided by 8 minus 10 minus 4 vinculum they given, like this they given. So how we will simplify here? See here 18 minus 2 half place what we have to write half into half means into minus 16 divided by 8 minus we have to remove first vinculum. So minus outside is there, middle one you get to positive, minus into minus plus 4. Next 18 minus 2 into minus 3 minus 16 divided by, now see here 8 and 4 are positives. 8 plus 4 how much Nana? 12. 12 minus 10. 12 minus 10. How much you will get? 12 minus 10. 2 into minus 3 minus 16 divided by 12 minus 10. 2. So now no need to write bracket here. Simplification after no need. So what you get here? 16 divided by 2. 2 into minus 3 minus 16 divided by 2 means quotient what? 8. So now flower bracket also we remove. 18 minus 2 3s are 6 minus 6 minus 8. How much minus 6 minus 8? Minus 14. So 18 minus into minus plus 14. 18 plus 14. 8 plus 4 12. 32. Answer how much? 32. So like this we have to simplify. First we have to remove vinculum. Vinculum outside minus is there, inside minus is there, it will become plus. If here plus is there, it will become minus. Why? Because we have to multiply sign. Minus into plus minus. Minus into minus will get plus. So if just you remember, if vinculum outside minus is there and inside also minus is there, inside one you will get plus. So minus 10 plus 4. 8 plus 4 are positive. So 8 plus 4 12 minus 10. So 12 minus 10 how much? 2. So now small brackets will remove. After simplification no need to write bracket. Next 16 divided by 2 you get 8. So this simplification you get 8. So now we have to remove that bracket. Next here multiplication minus 6. Here minus 8. Both negatives we have to add minus 16. So 18 minus of minus plus. 18 minus plus 14 32 answer. So like this we have to simplify the brackets and symbol multiplication, addition. First we have to simplify division. Bracket means first bracket. Brackets also otherwise we have to remove. So next we will start next class exercises, homework problems. Just page number 49. Page number 49, 1 to 8 you do. 1 to 8 problems. So 1 to 8 problems homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.